Hello, everyone. Have you ever felt like life became so busy that your spiritual life slowly disappeared? Maybe work, family, responsibility, or difficult times took over, and without even noticing, you drifted away from the peace you once felt. Sometimes years pass and we no longer know how to find our way back. If that is you today, I sincerely hope this prayer helps you return home to whatever faith, high power, or spiritual path that brings peace to your heart. Let's begin. God of the universe, thank you for this wonderful gift of life. Thank you for every breath I take. Thank you for always watching over me, even during the times when I forget to look towards you. Thank you for never leaving my side, even when I wandered away from my spiritual path. Like a loving parent, gently guide the child. Thank you for holding my hand and leading me with kindness, patience, and wisdom. Thank you for quietly stirring something deep within my soul. Thank you for planting the desire in my heart to return to you. Thank you for reminding me that I am never too far away to come home. Thank you for loving me even when I struggle to forgive myself. Thank you for never judging me because of my mistakes. Instead, you continue to welcome me with compassion, understanding, and unconditional love. Thank you for lighting my soul once again. Thank you for helping me remember who I truly am beneath the worries, the fear, the distractions of everyday life. Today I choose to slow down. I choose to listen. I choose to open my heart. Help me notice the beauty that surrounds me. Help me recognize your guidance in the small moments of my day. help me trust that even when life feels uncertain, I am never walking alone. Give me courage to let go of guilt, regret, and anything that keeps me from moving forward. Replace fear with peace. Replace doubt with trust. Replace confusion with wisdom. Help me become a kinder person. Help me forgive others. Help me forgive myself. May my words bring comfort. May my action bring kindness. May my thoughts bring peace. May I live each day with gratitude. May I never forget that every sunrise is a new beginning. Every breath is another opportunity. Every day is another chance to grow. Guide my family. Protect for people I love. Bless those who are struggling today. May they find hope where there is despair. May they find strength where there is weakness. May they find light where there is darkness. And if someone listening to this prayer feels lost, remind them that they are deeply loved. Remind them that healing is possible. Remind them that it is never too late to begin again. Today, I return with an open heart. Today, I choose peace. Today, I choose love. Today, I choose hope. Thank you for welcoming me home. Thank you for walking beside me as I begin this new chapter. With gratitude in my heart, so it is.